How to fix Instagram story views in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, if you have any problem with the story views on Instagram, this video is gonna help you. So first thing you have to do is you don't need to open Instagram. First thing you have to do is open the settings on your phone, and after you open the settings it will take you to this page. Right here you will find all your phone settings. All what you have to do is go to the apps manager. After that, scroll down until you find Instagram, and then click on it like this, and it will take you to this page. Or what you have to do here is go to the permissions. After that, you need to make sure to enable all the permissions, and then go back. And now, or what you have to do is very simple. Just click on force stop, and then go back again. This time click on power usage details. Now all what you have to do here is make sure that this option is enabled from here, and then click on force stop down here and reopen Instagram, and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe.